Hi, this is SoulSync Living and welcome to our sacred space. Today, we're journeying into the fascinating world of medical astrology. Have you ever wondered if there's a cosmic connection between your zodiac sign and your physical well-being? Let's explore this ancient wisdom together. So, what exactly is medical astrology? It's a traditional system, with roots stretching back to ancient Greece and beyond, that connects celestial cycles with the human body. Think of it as a symbolic map for self-awareness. Ancient physicians like Hippocrates believed that understanding the cosmos was key to understanding health. They observed patterns in nature and in people, and developed a system linking the zodiac signs to specific parts of the body. This isn't about predicting illness, but about understanding our energetic blueprints. Let's dive into the core idea, the zodiac body correspondence. This system maps the 12 zodiac signs onto the human body from head to toe. It starts with Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, which rules the head, face, and brain. This is why Aries natives might be prone to headaches or tension in this area when they re-stressed. Next, Taurus governs the neck, throat, and vocal cords. Taurians might notice their throat is the first place to feel strained when they're out of balance. Following the cosmic order, Gemini is linked to the nervous system, shoulders, arms, and hands. Cancer rules the chest, stomach, and digestive system, making emotional stress a potential trigger for tummy troubles. Leo holds dominion over the heart, spine, and upper back. Virgos are connected to the intestines and the body's assimilation processes. Libra governs the kidneys, lower back, and the body's sense of equilibrium. Then we have Scorpio, which rules the reproductive and eliminatory systems. Sagittarius is associated with the hips, thighs, and liver. Capricorn governs the bones, joints, and especially the knees. Aquarius is linked to the circulatory system and the ankles. Finally, Pisces rules the feet and the lymphatic system. Each sign highlights an area of energetic focus, a place where life force might be particularly strong or where stress could accumulate. Now, it's absolutely crucial to understand this. Medical astrology points to predispositions, not predictions. It's not a diagnostic tool, and it will never replace professional medical advice. Instead, think of it as a framework for highlighting potential sensitivities and stress patterns. For example, if you're a Leo, you might be more aware of how emotional highs and lows impact your heart rate or your back. It's about knowing your body's unique language, not forecasting your medical future. If you are ever concerned about your health, please always consult a qualified doctor. So how can we use this knowledge in a practical, holistic way? First, it cultivates a deeper body awareness through archetypes. When you understand that as a Cancer, your stomach might be your emotional barometer, you can start paying closer attention to its signals. Are you feeling queasy before a big presentation? That's your body speaking its truth. Using zodiac symbolism helps you listen to these subtle messages before they become louder problems. It's a beautiful way to become more attuned to your own physical and emotional rhythms. This awareness naturally leads to prevention and balance. Once you know your potential areas of sensitivity, you can take gentle, proactive steps to support them. If you're a Capricorn, maybe you focus on joint-friendly exercises and stretches to care for your knees. If you're a Gemini, perhaps you find that practices like journaling or mindful breathing help soothe your busy nervous system. It's about making conscious lifestyle choices, getting enough rest, regulating your emotions, and developing habits that nourish your unique constitution. It's preventative care, guided by the stars. Ultimately, medical astrology helps us see our health as a dynamic interplay of mind, body, and energy. It encourages us to embrace a truly holistic perspective. Your physical body isn't separate from your emotional state or your energetic expression. They are all interconnected. When you feel joy, your body feels light. When you feel stressed, your body tenses up. By understanding your zodiac's energetic tendencies, you can work towards aligning these different aspects of yourself. This is about creating harmony within, recognizing that your well-being is a dance between the physical, the emotional, and the spiritual. To recap, medical astrology is an ancient symbolic language that connects zodiac signs to parts of the body. It's not for diagnosis, but for self-awareness. By understanding your sign's correspondence, you can become more aware of your body's signals, proactively support your well-being, and cultivate a deeper alignment of mind, body, and spirit. It's a tool for personal empowerment and holistic living. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic exploration today. I hope this has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to connect more deeply with your own inner universe. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync Living for more content on mindful and holistic living. Until next time, be well.